In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable API access in Salesforce. This is a crucial skill, particularly if you're looking to integrate Salesforce with other tools and applications. Enabling API access allows outside applications to interact with your Salesforce data, which can greatly streamline your business processes and improve efficiency. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to customization and setup. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Setup. Setup is where all the magic happens. It's where you can manage user profiles, permissions, and much more. Now, once you're in the setup area, you'll see a search bar labeled Quick Find. This search bar is super handy because Salesforce has a lot of options, and this feature helps you navigate more easily. In the Quick Find bar, type Profiles. As you type, you'll see a list start to populate beneath. Click on Profiles from this list. Profiles in Salesforce are used to determine what a user can see and what they can do. They play a key role in controlling access and ensuring data security. When you click Profiles, you'll see a list of all the profiles currently set up in your instance of Salesforce. Look through the list and select the profile you want to grant API access to. It's generally a good idea to know in advance which profiles require this access, as unnecessarily enabling it can pose security risks. With the profile page open, look for an Edit button, usually located at the top of the profile details. Click Edit to modify the profile. After clicking Edit, scroll down until you see a section called Administrative Permissions. This section is where you'll manage high-level permissions for the profile. Within Administrative Permissions, you're looking for a specific option called API Enabled. This option allows users with this profile to access Salesforce data via the API. Locate API Enabled and simply check the box next to it to enable this feature. Checking this box is critical as it directly allows the profile to interact with Salesforce through external applications. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll back up and you'll see the Save button. Click it and all the changes you've just made will be applied to the profile. Once saved, API access is enabled for the selected profile, allowing for seamless integration with external tools. And there you go. Enabling API access in Salesforce is a straightforward process, but it opens the door to a wealth of integration possibilities. Keep in mind that not every user or profile should have API access, so always be cautious about which profiles you grant this permission to. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with API access in Salesforce.